I don't feel like I've lost New York since we still spend so much time there, but I feel like I've gained London. Hi, I'm Lindsay Roth, author and TV producer. Welcome to my London home. We're located in Marylebone, which is a neighborhood that reminds me of the West Village, which is, I think, why I fell in love with it. It's a really nice community to live in. I can't wait to show you around. Come in. This hallway is like the main artery of our home. On any given day, at any time, you can see my two kids driving up and down this hallway. It's a really nice entranceway to bring you into the heart of the home. The hallway didn't look like this when we moved in. There was nothing on the walls, there was no moldings, and I was excited about restoring that. There are a couple of pieces that we brought over from our New York home that are really special to us. This mirror, for example, I call it the Cartier mirror because it has these little grommets inside and it's rimmed in brass. It's a great last look mirror and it's a big statement piece that I love. I've really tried to play with shapes and textures in this flat, and to have these 3 star lights lining the hallway, they just make me smile. This is our lounge, and we love to spend time together as a family, so I tried to curate areas that worked for all of us. Yellow is my favorite color. It always has been. It's just a happy color, and it makes me smile when I see it, so I try and bring it in wherever I can in little pops. This building is an old Victorian building, so the windows that you see are in their original metal window frames, so it can get drafty in the winter. So not only are these shutters a statement piece with reclaimed wood, but they serve a purpose and they really do keep us insulated. And now let me show you the kitchen. I think you'll find it's unique. I love to cook, so it's always a challenge in an apartment kitchen to try and find enough storage space, enough cooking space, and enough room to make it pretty. So in here we've got a few different textures. I love the play on different materials, especially in a kitchen. This really gives the English farmhouse vibe. I kept the shelves open, which is always a risk, but finding a lightness to a kitchen I think is really important. One of my favorite landmarks in London is Tower Bridge, and I was inspired by the gorgeous blue color on the bridge so much that we painted our pantry to match. So I call the color Tower Bridge blue. Now let me show you the bedrooms. I think a bedroom should be a peaceful, serene space. A fabric upholstered bed adds a really nice warmth to a bedroom. And this is a bit of a play on a sleigh bed, which is something I had in my childhood. I wanted to keep this room serene, but put a pop of color. I think an accent wall in a bedroom can make an impact. And it took me a while to find the right wallpaper that I wanted to use, but I really responded to these cherry blossoms. And once I put them up on the wall, the room felt complete. This is not only where we sleep, this is where I work. I love having a home office and a place that I can go to write, take calls, and produce. Up on the wall, there's some shows that I've worked on that have meant a lot to me over the years. I wanted to have a desk that I found energizing, that I was excited to work at. So I had this desk made and thought to lacquer it hot pink because why not? I would say that this desk has proven to be pretty productive for me because this right here is my next book. It was so much fun figuring out what my son Alexander's room was gonna look like. He's becoming a bigger boy. He loves transportation, he loves cars, so you can see that throughout the room. One of the things I like most about this room is the windowsill. When they were pouring the wet cement, I saw it and I got my family together. I said, guys, get over here, get your hands out. And now we've left our mark here forever. Thank you so much for coming to my London home where Manhattan meets Marylebone. I hope you enjoyed the tour as much as I enjoyed giving it to you.
If you can't get enough of these fabulous homes and designs, then you gotta like and subscribe because we could all use a little more fabulous in our lives, right?